Good afternoon, everyone, especially to Sir Johnny, and I hope everyone is doing well right now. I am Miriam Manilla, and I'm going to discuss the robot history timeline from the year 1959 to 1962. And first, let me discuss what happened in the year 1959. In 1959, the first industrial robot was developed by George Devol and Joseph Engelberger. At alam nyo ba na nagsimula ang lahat dahil lamang sa isang simpleng kwentuhan ni George at ni Joseph noong 1956 sa isang cocktail party. Because they shared the same love for science fiction at napagkwentuhan nila si Isaac Asimov and his theories about robotics. At simula doon, nabuo ang idea in creating the first industrial robot. At may nakakakilala rin ba sa inyo kay Joseph Engelberger? Dahil siya ang father of... Anyone from the class? Si Joseph Engelberger ang father of... And, ayan, yes, it's correct. Joseph Engelberger is the father of robotics. And the first industrial robot weighs 2 tons. So, may nakakalam ba sa inyo kung ano yung 2 tons into kilograms? Anyone from the class? And yes, 2 tons is equal to 1,814 kilograms. So, imagine niyo na lang kung gaano kabigat yung robot na yon. And mamaya, para mas makita natin, meron ako ipoprovide na mas malinaw na picture kung ano ba talaga yung itsura at kung gaano kalaki itong first industrial robot na to. And itong robot na to, it was controlled by a program on a magnetic drum. So, ang magnetic drum, yun yung ginagamit nilang computer memory in the past. And it is similar how modern computers use random access memory cards. And the first industrial robot was named as Unimate. U and I M A T E. Unimate. So, kung makikita nyo yung itsura ng Unimate dyan sa picture sa slide, yan, and yung design na yan was conceived from my design for a mechanical arm patented in 1954 by George Devol. At itong Unimate, dinesign siya to automate the dirty, dreary, and dangerous works that human workers didn't want to do. So, ang purpose ng robot na to is gawin yung mga bagay na hindi kayang gawin ng tao or ayaw lang gawin ng tao. And that's all for the year 1959. And now, let's move forward to what happened in the year 1961. So, same robot pa din yung i-discuss natin dito. Yung first industrial robot pa din na Unimate. So, ang nangyari sa taong 1961 is Unimation installed the first industrial robot at GM. It was used on a production line. So, kung makikita nyo sa picture dyan sa PowerPoint or sa slide, yung robot is nag-aayos siya. Nag-ayos siya ng mga door and window handles, light fixtures, and other hardware for automotive interiors. And at the same year, the Unimate 1900 series became the first mass-produced robotic arm for factory automation. And in a very short period of time, approximately mga 450 Unimate robotic arms were employed in die casting. Ayan, ang next slide is makikita niyo yung mas buong picture ng Unimate. So, ang una is itong lumapas. So, ito yung pinakaunang nagawa kasi naandun sila George at si Joseph sa likod. Tapos, ayan, yung next picture naman is siguro colored na siya. Siguro, ayan, makikita nyo kung gaano kalaki yung Unimate. Na, di ba nga, ang nag-weigh siya ng 2 tons or 1,814 kilograms. So, ayan, yan yung itsura niya. At doon nagtatapos yung discussion natin about sa first industrial robot na Unimate. And now, let's move forward kung anong nangyari noong taong 1962. So, ang nangyari naman noong 1962 is na-create yung first cylindrical robot or the Versatron from American Machine and Foundry. And may idea ba kayo kung bakit Versatron yung naging tawag sa first cylindrical robot? Anyone from the class? And And yes, Versatran came from the word versatile transfer. Ayan, so ang Versatran is a programmable cylindrical coordinate frame robotic arm designed by Harry Johnson at Velkov Milenkovic. At ang aim ng robot na to is to revolutionize manufacturing by automating repetitive tasks traditionally performed by human workers. So, ang pinaka-aim ng robot na to is mas mapabilis yung gawain ng tao. At ang primary goals ng Versatran is to increase productivity, improve accuracy, reduce labor costs, at higit sa lahat, enhance workplace safety. And that's all for the year 1959 to 1962. Thank you for listening. Good luck, guys!